So the pros and cons, in my opinion, for the Braun Epilator Silk. Now, this is going to be the hair removal device. So remember, this is something you're only going to do once every 3 to 4 weeks. Now, this is going to be my second time using this product. My leg hair usually grows fairly fast, so I was very skeptical about this. However, after using this the first time, my legs were the smoothest they have probably ever been, in all complete honesty. So I went ahead and waited the 3 weeks. And as you can tell here, I've got some hair length and I'm going back over it again. The only con in this device, which isn't a huge deal, is I have a lot of also thin little blonde hairs, and I have to go over that twice. Other than that, this thing is probably my new favorite beauty device that I own. No more razors. I refuse to purchase anymore. I refuse to shave every single day. This thing gets rid of them and it keeps my legs super smooth. I really recommend this to all those women who are having to shave every single day. It's just, it takes up so much time. And I mean, this thing is great.